My name is Rachel Shepherd and I'm standing in the Taupō board. Well, I have a bit of experience in the building and regulatory space, and with the legislative and regulatory changes, I would very much like to be at the table to help navigate that. And I'd like to work on getting information out to the public a little bit more freely and getting feedback from the public into the council a little bit more freely. Local decision making is quite vital, and I'd like to encourage that and enable that as much as possible. Well, I think my experience will be valuable around the table, given that I have now completed my first triennium as a councillor. I feel as though I now understand the system, the processes, the challenges, so I'm pretty well placed now to understand how to get the outcomes that the community needs. I think the economic environment that we're all living in at the moment is the biggest challenge. The cost of living crisis is very real, and rates are a big contributor to that. That, coupled with some pretty substantial growth forecast for the district, it's going to take some very careful planning, some financial prudence to ensure growth in a sustainable way.